So hi all, and today we are going to understand the terms of payment, but with some complex conditions, and I will say multiple conditions as well. So how to deal with this, how to configure this in SAP, and what is the basic requirement. So if you see on the screen, you have the business requirement of the terms of payment. In this case, the terms of payment says that the invoice, once it is entered, and once 30 days are passed, post the invoice, then the payment will be done. Okay, so the invoice will be paid post 30 days from the invoice date, but it will be paid either on the 10th of the month or the 25th of the month. So there are three conditions involved. Number one, 30 days should have been passed. Number second, either the invoice will be paid on 10th of the month or the 25th of the month, whichever is closest, whichever is nearest. Okay, now I divided this into three more conditions. Okay, so what it said that the invoice will be paid post 30 days of the invoice date, and it will be paid either on 10th or on 25th. Okay. Now, what I did, because the net due date is either 10th or 25th, I just divided it into three more conditions. The number one condition, which says that all those invoice dates from 1st of May to till 9th of May, okay, if you consider that plus 30 days, all this will fall before the 10th. Okay, now let's say if the invoice is entered on 9th of May, if you add 30 days to it, you go to 9th of June, then the next closest date or the nearest date is 10th of June. So the invoice should be paid on 10th of June. The second condition says if the 10th of June is passed, then the next invoice date from 11th May till 11th June, it again has 1 month. So once the 30 days are passed, then the next invoice date, which will be nearest, is the 25th. The payment date will be 25th instead of 10th. Okay. In the similar manner, post 25th, whatever the invoices are entered from 25th till 30th of May, you add 1 month to it. Let's say from 30th of May, it goes till 30th of June. Okay. And then the next nearest date is 10th of July. Fine. So three conditions. Invoice needs to be paid on 10th or 25th, but 30 days should have been passed prior to that. Now, how to configure this in SAP? Let's go and watch it out in SAP itself. Okay, so here we are in SAP. To access the terms of payment, I will go to OBB8. I went to OBB8 and I will go to new entries. Okay, now what terms of payment? Let's say I give the term ZAV. Fine. And herein, I will go to the day limit option. Why to the day limit option? The thing is that now this day limit option, what it does, I will tell you. Let me right click onto it and click on help. So it will give you the details as to why this and how this option works. So it shows you that for terms of payment that depend on whether or not the baseline date is after or before the 15th of the month. That is what it is doing is let me just clarify this and make it simple for you. It is dividing an invoice into different dates within a month. Okay, just like in our case. Okay, so let me enter the terms of payment. What will be the terms of payment? Let's say it is ZAV, and then we have the day limit option over here. Now how does this day limit option works? Basically, this day limit option helps you to make the payment of invoices on fixed dates. Let's say you want to make a payment of invoice on 10th or 25th. Okay, then this day limit option will work. Now herein you will see that we have two different conditions. Number one condition is 30 days should have been passed. Number second condition, the invoice needs to be paid post 30 days either on 10th or on 25th. That is, these are the fixed days. Okay. Now day limit, let me put it over here as 9. Now why I am putting as 9? So let's say if all the invoices, whichever has been entered from 1st of the month to the 9th of the month, if you add 30 days to it, let's say an invoice which is entered on 9th of May, if you add 30 days to it, then it will, 30 days will get over on 9th of June. And if you see the nearest date, that is 10th of June. So we need to make the payment on 10th of June. In that case, we will assign the fixed day over here as 10. And we will add additional month as 1. Why we are adding as 1? Because 30 days is required. Now, if this is 9th of May, and if you add 30 days to it, it becomes 9th of June, and then the fixed day is 10. Okay. And let's say the baseline date is the document date. Now, what is baseline date? It is the date from which the invoice should become due. Okay. Now you can see till 9th of May, from 9th of May to 9th of June, 130 days will get over, and then the invoice will be paid on 10th of June. Okay. This was one condition. So I will save this condition. Fine. Now I have saved this condition. Once I have saved this condition, then I will go back. Okay. Now you can see this condition is saved. I will just, what I will do, I will just select this condition once more because I need to enter other conditions as well. I will copy this, and now I will put the day limit as 24. Now why I am putting it as 24? All the invoices, first in the first condition, we took all the invoices from 1st of the month till 9th of the month. In this case, we are taking all those invoices from 10th of the month till 24th of the month. Okay. Now all this invoice, let's say it is the invoice is on 24th of May. The 30 days, I will put one additional month. It will go to 24th of June. Okay. Then the fixed day on which the payment needs to be done, it is 25. Fine. Just to repeat it again, all the invoices from 10th of June, 10th of May to 24th of May plus one additional month, then those will be paid on 25th of June. Fine. And let me again select the document date. I can give my own explanation over here. 30 days plus 25th of month. Fine. I have done this. So once I have done this, I will again, just click on copy. I have copied this. Once I have copied this, I will click on save. So now I've clicked on save. Two conditions are over. Okay. Now it's quite important to see over here. Let me just go back. So I will again go to OBB8. I have put in two conditions. Let me go to my own condition. First of all, it was ZAV. Let us go over there. Okay. Now you can see two conditions are coming. All the invoices which have been posted from 1st of May to 9th of May, that will be paid on 10th. All the invoices which have been posted from 10th of May till 24th of May will be paid on 30th, will be paid on 25th. Okay. But what about those invoices which are being, wherein the document date is from 25th till 31st? If you count one more month to it, let's say you have any invoice date of 27th of May. So if you count one more month to it, it goes to 28th of June. Then when it will be paid, the nearest date is 10th of July. So we need to enter one more condition. Okay. Now how to go about that? I will just click this, will copy this, and now I will add the day limit as 31 because all those invoices from 25th till 31, I have entered the day limit as 31, and the fixed date will be here again 10th. Okay, because the nearest date to 31 will be 10th, but the additional month will be 2. Now why that 2? Now let's say the invoice was posted on 31st of May. Okay, you add 30 days, it goes to, let's say, 1st of July or even on 30th of June. Then you need to have another month to reach it from May to June to July. So hence 2 months have been entered. In our previous two conditions, we entered only 1 month from May to June, and the invoice was paid in June itself. But herein, from May to June, the invoice will be paid in July because 10th of July will be the nearest date. Hence, you will add 2 months over here. Okay, and we will click on copy. So once we have copied it, we will again click on save. Okay. One thing we just missed it and we will correct it. Let me just save it first and then we can correct it. We will again go over here. Okay. And we need to correct this explanation because it is 10th of month. Okay. And we will again click on save. Okay. So now the data is saved. Let's go and look at all those three conditions which are over there. So let me go back. and I will show you once again all those three conditions, and then we will also have a look at the postings within SAP as to how this is reacting. Okay, so the payment terms, I will enter my payment terms. It is ZAV, and once I have entered the payment terms, we have three payment terms. We have the same payment term, but we have three conditions within the same payment term. You can see the payment term is same, ZAV, and we have three conditions which shows all those invoices from 1st of May to 9th of May. It will be paid by the next month, that is on 10th of June. All those invoices from 10th of May till 24th of May, the nearest date is 25th of June, and all those invoices from 30th of May or 31st to the next month, 30th June, then the nearest date will be 10th of July. Okay, so these are the three conditions which we have maintained. And once you have maintained these conditions, now what we can do is we can just try to enter the invoice. Okay, so to enter the invoice, let me directly go to FB60 and see how this is altogether affecting. I went to FB60. Okay, it is asking for company code. I went to company code ABB, and once I went to the company code, let me just select the supplier. So supplier, let me just check which supplier is present over here. Okay, so we have this supplier. I have chosen the supplier, and let me take the invoice date as, I can take 1st to 9th any date. Let me take 1st of May. Okay, I have taken 1st of May, and then I will put the test reference, and then I will go to the payment tab. Once I go to the payment tab, I need to enter the payment terms over here. Okay, so I have entered the payment terms, ZAV, put enter. Now you can see over here, things have changed. The baseline date, that is the invoice date, it's appearing over here, and it is due on 10th of June. This is what our first condition meant. All those invoices from 1st May to 9th of May should be paid on 10th of June. That is 30 days plus the nearest date, 10th or 25th. So herein, the nearest date from 1st of May to 1st of June, the nearest date is 10th of June. So it is being paid on 10th of June. Okay. Now let me change the baseline date. Let me say the baseline date is 24th, the second condition, whether it is meeting or not. And if I go to this, I made the invoice date as 24th of May 2025 with payment terms as ZAV. Let me just click on enter, and we will see you have from 24th of May to 24th of June, we have 30 days plus the next date, that is 25th of June. That's how it is. Okay. I will repeat it. On 24th of May till 24th of June, we have 30 days. And the next nearest date till 24th of June is 25th of June. So we will be making the payment on 25th of June. Now let's say I have another one, that is the third condition, and I will enter it as 27th of May. Okay, after 25th. So if I just enter over here, you can see the due date has changed to 10th of July. So this means from 27th of May till 27th of June, 1 month. And then in our condition, we mentioned additional months as 2, in this case, in the third case. And hence it is falling on 10th of July. Because from 27th of May till 27th of June, you have 1 month. The nearest date is falling, that is 10th in the next month. So you have the 10th of July coming over here. So that's how it is. You can meet such payment terms through fixed day and the day limit option. So hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.